I want to blame person. Hey, this is highlight.
Your body na ebano. Your body na ebano. Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Yo, yeah. Yo. Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Yo, yeah.
Ninja flavor.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Let me do something. Oh, ya lo dejé. ¿Qué dices, bitch? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Divani here. Welcome to Jenny Key. Welcome to Hairstyle by Jenny. Whatever you say it, I am that because I am that. Okay. So, girls, if you can see my title, you're coming to see this cute spring twist, passion twist, Senegalest twist, ombre. This time I do it ombre. I like it on side, but you cute on me, right? You look cute. You know that look cute. Okay. Okay. The makeup is not that bad. Don't come to me with the makeup, okay? Es que no está perfecto, pero no está perfecto. No es que no esté perfecto. No está bien. It's not that good as I like it, but it's okay. Take it like that because you're coming to see the hairstyle, not the makeup. Okay. So yeah, the hairstyle is from Silike. I'm going to leave it here, up here, or here. The logo too. So you have many options. Like you have wigs, you have one course, you have crochet hair, you have everything you want. Go to Silike hair. You have it on Amazon, just on AliExpress. Go to Silike hair. Okay. Silike hair, okay? I'm going to leave the link directly of this hair down below and the link of Silike down below too. So yeah, I'm going to leave you with the clips. I'm going to show you how I do it because this is a twist. This is a twist, spring twist. You see, I do by myself, Bobo. They send me one pack. In one pack they come two. That is why I do the side part. But if you want to do a full head, you need two packs. In 2 packs you have like 4. So you need 2 packs for a full head. I use one pack. They come 2 bundles, and that is why I do side part. But because I want to do side part because I have the spring twist already, I'm going to leave it up here or down below. So that is all. Go to Silike here, okay? Let me tell you, my lashes. Mimo lashes, okay? Mimo lashes to colorcl.com. colorcl.com. I want to leave the discount code because you have discount code JK10. JK10. Por si acaso. That is all. So don't forget, use my discount code JK10 for the lashes. And yeah, boo boo. We're going. I'm talking too much. It's 2 minutes already. So bye bye. I'll see you on my next video. Okay. Mwah. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and share. Know what I can say more. So follow me on my Instagram, Divani here, for you to see my picture with it.